Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. May mighty God bless us, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
With, about the duties and responsibilities of personnel on board the ship. Master.
The Bravo Command, I'm in charge of the vessel.
Okay. Chief mate.
Cargo operations, sir.
Okay. Second mate.
I'm in charge of the voyage plan and arrival and departure checklist.
Third mate.
In charge in the maintenance of life-saving equipment and pyrotechnics on ship.
Okay. Bosun.
I'm meeting the job order from the shipment and I give to the other people to give the reports.
Okay. Able seaman.
Watchkeeper and maintenance on deck. Most important. Steering. Steering.
Sorry, sir, following Boson's order and maintenance of it.
Okay.
Chief Cook.
Chief cook.
In charge in the galley department, provisions and stores.
Okay. Messman.
Assist Chief Cook and cleaning areas of all officers.
Okay. Superintendent.
It gives technical support on ships.
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Cap Editable TV. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Go, sir.
Crewing manager.